involved in two accidents at Morjim and Siolim Bridge. Traffic disruption and injuries reported. Shocking case of reckless driving was reported on Sunday after the same Innova Krista was involved in two separate accidents, first at Morjim and later on Siolim Bridge. According to eyewitnesses, the first incident occurred at Mallekarwada, Morjim, when the high-speed Innova crashed into a rickshaw, leaving two local rickshaw drivers and a farmer injured. The impact was severe, damaging both vehicles and causing panic among bystanders. Locals immediately rushed the injured to a nearby hospital for treatment. Shortly after, the same Innova was involved in another collision on Siolim Bridge, this time with a Baleno car. The accident led to a major traffic snarl on the busy route, with vehicles piling up on both sides of the bridge for nearly an hour until police cleared the scene. Residents of Morjim and nearby areas have voiced serious concern over the increasing number of speeding incidents. Local resident Shivnath Shetgamkar has appealed to the PWD department to urgently install speed breakers at Mallekarwada and Kancholim connecting roads, citing frequent accidents caused by overspeeding vehicles.
चालू झाला आणि गाडी आता ब्लॉक झाली. आता ही गाडी पय मारल्या त्यांचे रिक्षेचे मारून त्यांनी टुरिस्ट अशी येतात त्याचा स्पीड ना आता हे रस्त्यावर एक कमीत ते 4 तरी स्पीड ब्रेकर आहे. एक कातोळेवाडा, मळेकरवाडा आणि मुनांगवाडा हे 4 स्पीड ब्रेकर आहेत. कंटिन्यू गाडी असतात, तिथं ट्रॅफिकही नसता, कोणच नसता. हे ट्रॅफिक आणि पोलीस तर त्यांनाच केअर करणार. येतात पोलीस गाडी जर साईडीक लायली तर सांगानात काढपाक आणि रोड भर सबंद गाडी लायतात आणि कोण न्यूजारय दिनात. हे फक्त एक जे हा हे लोकल रोड हो वायडनिंग करतात, रूल करतात, मोठे करतात, त्यातून आणि स्पीड वाढतात. स्पीड वाढल्या उपरांत स्पीड ब्रेकर हे जायत. हे स्पीड ब्रेकर कमीत ते कातोळेवाडा, मळेकरवाडा, मुनांगवाडा प्रत्येक वाड्यात एक स्पीड घालून ती स्पीड कमी करपाची रस्ता हात तितलेच करून तो क्लियर करपाचो. आणि
authorities have initiated an investigation into both accidents and are verifying whether the same driver was responsible for both collisions.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.